Weekend plans, situation. Laurie, Christy, and Sarah are making plans for the coming weekend. Laurie, so, what are your plans for this weekend? Christy, I don't know. Do you want to get together or something? Sarah, how about going to see a movie? Cinemax 26 on Carson Boulevard is showing. Enchanted. Laurie, that sounds like a good idea. Maybe we should go out to eat beforehand. Sarah, it is fine with me. Where do you want to meet? Christy, let's meet at Summer Pizza House. I have not gone there for a long time. Laurie, good idea again. I heard they just came up with a new pizza. It should be good because Summer Pizza House always has the best pizza in town. Sarah, when should we meet? Christy, well, the movie is shown at 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Laurie, why don't we go to the 2 p.m. show? We can meet at Summer Pizza House at noon. That will give us plenty of time to enjoy our pizza. Sarah, my cousin Karen is in town. Can I bring her along? I hate to leave her home alone. Christy, Karen is in town. Yes. Bring her along. Laurie, you remember Karen? We met her at Sarah's high school graduation party 2 years ago. Laurie, I do not quite remember her. What does she look like? Sarah, she has blonde hair. She is kind of slender, and she is about your height. Laurie, she wears eyeglasses. Right? Sarah, yes, and she was playing the piano off and on during the party. Laurie, I remember her now. Yes, do bring her along, Sarah. She is such a nice person. And funny, too. Sarah, she will be happy to meet both of you again.
Christy, what is she doing these days? Sarah, she graduated last June, and she will start her teaching career next week when the new school term begins. Laurie, what grade is she going to teach? Sarah, she will teach kindergarten. She loves working with kids, and she always has such a good rapport with them. Christy, kindergarten. She must be a very patient person. I always think kindergarten is the most difficult class to teach. Most of the kids have never been to school, and they have never been away from mommy for long. Sarah, I think Karen will do fine. She knows how to handle young children. Laurie, I think the first few weeks will be tough. However, once the routine is set, it should not be too difficult to teach kindergarten. Christy, you are right. The kids might even look forward to going to school since they have so many friends to play with. Sarah, there are so many new things for them to do at school too. They do a lot of crafts in kindergarten. I am always amazed by the things kindergarten teachers do. Laurie, yes. I have seen my niece come home with so many neat stuff. Christy, maybe we can ask Karen to show us some of the things that we can do for this Halloween. Laurie, maybe we can stop by the craft store after the movie. What do you think? Sarah, I will talk to her. I think she will like that. It will help her with school projects when Halloween comes. Christy, Michael's is a good store for crafts. It always carries a variety of things. And you can find almost anything there. Laurie, there is a Michael's store not far away from Cinemax 26. I believe it is just around the corner on Pioneer Avenue. We can even walk over there. Sarah, so we plan to meet for pizza at noon, go to the movies at 2, and shop at Michael's afterward. Right? Laurie and Christy, yes.